guys, today is the 28th of April 2019 and today is very sunny, of course. And today's episode I'm going to cook chicken Sprite with pineapple. These are my ingredients. This is a chicken that is cut like this, and then I've got spring onion heads, the bay leaf, and the garlic. I chop like this, and then the red onions, and this one is the cinnamon, and then this is the spring onion leaves, and then the pineapple tidbits, the Sprite, the soy sauce, silver swan, and the oyster sauce. So now we are going to start our cooking. First, we are going to brown our chicken, okay? You can cover, guys, a little bit, so you cannot even experience the boom boom boom. Ito guys, okay na yun. I-transfer na natin ang ating chicken sa ating in another cooking pot. Ito na siya, guys. Ilagay natin sa ating cooking pot. So that's it. We are already browning our chicken. So now, guys, we are going to add this one, guys, measured 1.5 cup of Sprite in the proper measurement. And then we're going to start. Then we are going to add our garlic, our red onions, spring onion heads, the small cut of cinnamon, and the bay leaf. Then maglagay na din tayo, guys, ng ating soy sauce. 1, 2. Then I am going to add our oyster sauce. I'll be adding 1 and 2. So 2 of these tablespoons of oyster sauce. So ito na siya, guys. Okay, isimmer natin, guys, until the i-flip over natin, guys, siya after our the liquid is half from the original amount. So that's the time we are going to flip over. Okay, kaya nga pala, guys, this is a chicken Sprite with pineapple. Okay, chicken Sprite with pineapple. Now I am going to add now our pineapple tidbits, the whole thing. So lakasan ko ng apoy back to boiling and then hinaan. So now this is the best time to flip over our chicken. Okay, so that's our chicken, guys. So isimmer natin ng konti. Lakasan natin ang ating apoy. Na-flip over na, guys. So maglagay tayo ng pepper powder. So, ito na yung ating chicken, guys. Ano pa yung cola? Lagyan ko ng palang sauce. Maglalagay ako ng cornstarch, guys, sa ating sauce. So, thicken our sauce. To thicken our sauce. Okay? Wow. 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 Na, ano ka na. This is our chicken and Sprite with pineapple. Oh, this is yummy. So, ito na yung ano natin guys, chicken natin guys. Ilagay na natin ang sauce. Look at it. Para masarap siya. More masarap, mayam. Final product for today. This is chicken. This is chicken Sprite with pineapple guys. Look. So this is very yummy. Thank you for watching to my channel guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even share. Have a good time. Bye.